Welcome to the Money Manifesting Mini Course. I'm Mary Kate, and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. In this course, I'll show you step-by-step methods on how to manifest money into your life effortlessly and easily. I will also help you uncover exactly what is blocking you from attracting abundance. So let's get started. In order to start attracting money into your life, you have to first have an understanding of what money is and your relationship to your finances. That sounds like such a strange statement to say, your relationship with your finances. But we all have feelings and relationships to thoughts and objects. How you feel about something determines how you can attract it into your life. Everything is energy, and in order to attract certain things into your life, you have to be an energetic match and understand your relationship to that object. Love is one of the most powerful vibrations you can tap into, so whenever possible, shift your feelings towards love. So what is your relationship to money? Be honest with yourself. Do you get nervous to check your bank account? Do you feel anxious that you don't have enough money? Do you constantly tell yourself that you can't afford things? Do you think that only lucky people deserve money? Do you think you have to work long hours at a job you hate in order to earn enough money? I used to have that last belief, and I was stuck for way too long at a job I hated, working crazy long hours to support the kind of life that I wanted to deserve. And once I shifted my mindset, I realized that none of that was worth it. Once I shifted this mindset, everything started flowing to me so much quicker and easier, and I wasn't stuck at a job that I hated anymore. I want you to write down a list of everything you feel towards money. All of your thoughts, feelings, emotions, doubts, opinions. Write it all down, get very clear, and be completely honest with yourself. Pause this video now and take as much time as you need. After you write down your belief system about money, look at specific areas at where you can improve your money mindset. For example, are you scared to check your bank account? How can you turn that around and make it into a more positive action? Can you start checking it more often and release that fear that you don't need? Can you use a positive affirmation each time you look at that statement? Can you meditate and visualize your bank account with 6 figures? Do whatever is in your power to shift your money mindset so that everything lines up to be clear and positive. By understanding your relationship with money and releasing the fear or negative feelings surrounding it, you can be open to attracting more of it into your life. How can you emit the frequency of love surrounding money? The vibrational frequency of love is so unbelievably strong that if you can tap into that power, money will flow to you at record speed. Trust me. There are so many ways to add the frequency of love into your money mindset. For example, you can visualize how you would spend that money on the people you love. You can start loving the money that you currently have. You can start generously making donations to people in need and coming from a place of love. You can make vision boards of all the things that you would treat yourself to with that money. Give yourself some self-love. You can meditate with the feeling of love while visualizing complete financial freedom. Or, one of my favorites, you can visualize your heart as a powerful magnet, strongly attracting money directly into your reality. Try out a few of these and see which one works best for you. Now that you're clear on your money mindset and infused it with the vibration of love, I want to share with you the magic formula for manifesting. This formula is something I go into more depth in my digital course, Abundance Academy, but because this formula really works, I want to share it with you. Thought has a magnetic force. Thought coupled with feelings is even stronger. Thought coupled with feelings mixed with inspired action is where manifesting occurs. Or put simply, thought plus feelings plus inspired action equals manifesting. Welcome to Manifesting Math Class. Like I said earlier, everything starts with thought and mindset. You have to be clear and understand what your thoughts are towards money before you can start to manifest it into your life. Once you are clear on your thoughts, it's time to infuse it with feelings. I suggest infusing it with love because it's the most powerful frequency. But if you want to choose another feeling, feel free. Do whatever works best for you. You can try joy, excitement, happiness, comfort, peace of mind, or any feeling that you can emit at a high frequency. And this last step is one that most people miss or skip in their manifesting process. Inspired action. Inspired action is one of the most important and most overlooked steps. Taking an inspired action doesn't have to be a huge deal. It doesn't have to be this overwhelming, stressful thing, so don't worry. Inspired action can be as simple as writing a check to yourself for $100,000 as a hint to your subconscious that that's what you're trying to create. Or making a small donation to charity because you are doing it from a place of abundance. Or following that urge you had to write that blog or start that business or follow up on that email. Your intuition is always trying to communicate with you. And by taking guided, inspired actions, you are directly aligning with whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. Get in touch with your intuition and see what inspired action you're guided to take. There is always an option to take an inspired action, so take advantage of it. Think of your intuition like your fairy godmother. You follow your manifesting formula of thought plus feeling, and your intuition or your fairy godmother will guide you to exactly where you need to be in order to manifest what you want. But it's up to you to follow that intuition and take that step or inspired action. With this mindset work and manifesting formula, you are well on your way to start attracting money into your life easily and effortlessly. But you have to remember that you are in charge of redirecting your negative thoughts or feelings about money when they come up, because they will come up from time to time. And just remember that you are in charge of shifting it right back to where you need to be. You need to get to the point of ignoring your current or outside circumstances and standing firm in a place of faith that you are abundant. Whenever you get a bill in the mail, pay it and be grateful that you're contributing to someone else's financial betterment. Whenever you feel stressed about finances, redirect yourself and realize how lucky you are that you have a roof over your head and clean water and people that love you. And send love out to those that aren't as fortunate. Whenever you feel like you can't afford something, this is my favorite, just go virtual shopping. Start coming from a place of financial freedom and clicking and putting in your cart all of those things you want to buy online. Pick anything you want. The sky is your limit. You don't actually have to purchase anything, but by virtually shopping and feeling that financial freedom and adding those things to your cart, you're sending a clear message to your subconscious mind that you can have that, and then it'll be on its way. Feel powerful that you have this superpower knowledge that you are consciously creating your reality. Use this power to shape your reality and banish the negative beliefs you have around money. Our society will constantly condition you that you need more of this or better things and that you have to work really, really hard to achieve things in life. But not for you. You now have the knowledge that by shifting your mindset and taking inspired action, money will flow to you without all the bullshit. So congratulations on taking your first step towards financial freedom. Remember that you are powerful, you are worthy, and you are abundant. I attached a PDF file for you in this mini course with my 5 secrets to manifest money fast. And I also wanted to invite you to join my ultimate manifesting masterclass, Abundance Academy. Abundance Academy is a one-of-a-kind digital manifesting breakthrough course designed to get you the results you've been looking for in record time. I've been there before. I've read all the books. I've followed all the steps. I've struggled and struggled some more until I found the key pieces to what's missing in the manifesting process. This is unlike any course you've taken before because it's designed to get results for you based on your unique learning type and your personality and your belief system. With this course, and after going through this course, I've manifested thousands of dollars in 24 hours and such amazing situations and circumstances, and I would love to share it with you. So if you're interested in discovering what's missing in your manifesting process, and if you're looking for a step-by-step guided process that will work for you every single time, you can join Abundance Academy now for instant access to all of the methods and guides and training videos. And you can sign up online at www.mkmagicmindset.com, and you can also find some more information there as well. Here's to your abundance.